In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily erase the background of an image here in Canva. Now there is a couple of different ways that we can do this as well, and we are going to be using Canva Pro features. Now if you want to try out Canva Pro, then I will leave my affiliate link down in the description. So, once you have your image where you want to remove the background or erase the background, it's fairly easy. All we have to do is click on that image and come up to Edit Photo. Now, if you don't see this, this is the Magic Studio. It means that you're currently on the old version. So if we go back, we can go to here, click to revert to old editor. Then if we click on there, we can see we are not going to see that. So what we want to do is click just here where it says check it out. So if we click on there, we now have the Magic Studio. And again, there's two different ways that we can actually do this. The first way being Magic Grab. So if we click on this, this is actually going to take the image in the photo and pull it from that image. So now if we take this, we can actually move that away, then we can delete the background. And now we have that image with the background erased. So that's one way that we can do this. Another way, let's go back to here. Because the other way, again, we want to click on Edit Photo, but then we're just going to use the simple background remover, and it's going to remove it like that. And as you can see, it does a very good job at erasing it from the image. Now, if you don't have Canva Pro, or you don't even want to try out Canva Pro, then here's a free alternative where you can remove the background really quickly as well and completely for free. Now this is called clipdrop.co. They have lots of great tools, but their best one is this remove background. Now if we take this image and just drag it onto the page like so, we then want to click on remove background. We can see that this image is actually a little bit too big, so we can downscale to continue. It's going to take a few minutes, well not even a few minutes, a few seconds, and it's going to erase and remove that background just like that. We can then click on download up here in the right hand corner, and now we have that done, and then we can easily upload that image back into Canva. But nonetheless, that's how to erase the background here in Canva. Now if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel, and if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.